In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable auto-translate messages in Odoo Discuss. If you work with customers who send messages in different languages, this setting can make communication much easier. Odoo includes an option in the Discuss settings that can automatically translate incoming customer messages, helping your team understand and respond more efficiently without leaving the platform. To get started, open your Odoo dashboard and click on the Settings app. This is where Odoo keeps the main system-wide configuration options, including features related to communication tools like Discuss. Once you're inside Settings, go to the General Settings section. You may need to scroll a little depending on your version of Odoo and how your settings page is laid out. Look for the area labeled Discuss. This section contains the options that control messaging and communication behavior. Under Discuss, find the setting called Translate Messages. Go ahead and check that box to enable it. Turning on this option allows Odoo to automatically translate customer messages, which is especially useful for support teams, sales teams, or anyone managing conversations with users from multiple regions. After enabling the option, you'll see a field where a Google Translate API key is required. This key connects Odoo to Google Translate so the automatic translation feature can work properly. Paste your API key into that field carefully. Make sure the key is valid and active, otherwise the translations may not function as expected. As a quick tip, if the option doesn't appear right away, make sure you're in the correct settings area and that your Odoo instance has the Discuss-related features available. Also, after entering the API key, it's a good idea to save your settings so the change is applied correctly. Once that's done, the feature is enabled. Odoo will now be able to auto-translate customer messages in Discuss using the Google Translate integration you just configured. This can save time, reduce misunderstandings, and make multilingual communication much smoother for your team. And that's all there is to it. It's a very simple setup, but it can make a big difference if your business handles conversations in more than one language.